Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. Hey there, I'm your host, Ron, and I'm really glad you're here. Now, before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because we always love hearing your thoughts. Okay, so let's get into today's headlines. Are central banks quietly ditching the US dollar? And is gold stepping in to take its place? According to a brand new report from the World Gold Council, the answer might be yes. The report, titled the Central Bank Gold Reserve Survey 2025, reveals that central banks, especially from the global south, are moving toward gold at a much faster rate than those in the developed world. Why? To reduce their exposure to the US dollar. One anonymous central bank said it plainly in the report. The recent market developments around tariffs have raised questions on the safe haven status of USD/UST, but have bolstered that of gold. Let that sink in. These are central banks, not influencers, not bloggers, questioning the safe haven status of the US dollar. And here's what the numbers say. 48% of central banks in the global south plan to increase their gold reserves over the next year. In contrast, only 21% of central banks in advanced economies plan to do the same. And 95% of all central banks surveyed believe global gold reserves will rise over the next 12 months. And that explains why gold recently hit $3,446 an ounce, brushing up against its all-time high. Meanwhile, the US dollar index is hovering near 3-year lows. Okay, so what's driving all of this? Well, it's two words: geopolitical instability and trade protectionism. The WGC noted that in 2024 alone, central banks bought a massive 1,045 metric tons of gold. That's the third year in a row they've cleared the 1,000-ton mark, more than double the average from the previous decade. One central bank summed it up this way: central banks are expected to continue purchasing gold as they look for ways to reduce dependence on the USD. Now, before you think the dollar is going away anytime soon, don't worry, that's just not the case. You see, the US still benefits from deep financial markets and a strong legal framework. But as one part of a diversified strategy, well, central banks are clearly saying gold matters. So, what does this mean for you? Well, when the people who manage entire national economies start shifting toward gold to protect their reserves, it's probably a good time to ask yourself, should I be doing the same with my savings? And if you're thinking the answer might be yes, well, Goldco is here to help. With over 7,000 five-star reviews and more than $3 billion in precious metals placed, Goldco is one of the most trusted names in the business. You see, they work directly with world mints to ensure authenticity and security. And right now, Goldco is offering a free gold and silver kit to help you understand how precious metals could fit into your financial future. This is delivered directly to your doorstep, so just click the link below to get yours. Well, that's all for today's market update. If you learned something new, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more insights just like this. Until next time, stay informed, stay protected, and keep shining.